Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Wave's weekly Forex forecast. We hope all of you had a great trading week. Market went exactly as expected for most of the pairs. In today's video, I will show you more proof about the power of wave analysis. So I want all of you to keep watching till the end, and let's get started. DXY. For this one, last week we were here and we said, guys, we are expecting market to go up. Market went up. Not only this, from here we said we are expecting market to go down. This is an ending structure, and this was covered on our special forecast. Market went down from here to here. So we hope all of you who are following us and who trade DXY made decent profits with these moves. And if you remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. What next? For this one, now we are expecting market to correct downwards. If this corrective structure will be slow, another upwave is coming. At the moment, we are expecting DXY to correct downwards. What this means? If you are in the buy, you can take profits or move your stops into profits and let market do whatever it wants to do. Those of you who are not in, you leave it for now. Alright? Those of you who are not in, we suggest you to stay away from dollar pairs next week. Regarding this forecast and this one, don't take my words for it. Go to our YouTube channel and watch our previous forecasts. Next for DXY, corrective structure downwards. Now those of you who are new to We Trade Waves channel, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. Euro-dollar, before we cover this one, we would like to thank you for your likes, comments, and shares on our last weekly Forex forecast. And as a give back, I will give a private Q&A session for 10 traders. Follow us on Instagram, and next week, we will randomly choose 10 followers to give them that session. So keep liking and keep commenting. Coming back to Euro-dollar, last week we said, guys, we are expecting Euro-dollar to go down. And this one, it can potentially break the previous low. If you remember what we said last week, give us a thumbs up. And we really hope most of you who trade Euro-dollar made decent profits in this down wave. Not only that, from here we said, guys, this is an ending structure, look for your buy setups, and market went up. This forecast was covered on our special forecast. Again, everything is on our YouTube channel. What next for Euro-dollar? We are expecting market to go up correctively for another down wave. Alright? For Euro-dollar, we are expecting market to correct upwards for another down wave. So all of you who are in the sell, you can take profits or move your stops. Keep watching till the end, we have a lot to cover. Guys, we are getting a lot of emails regarding the course. Our next course will be in November. Those of you who are serious about trading, our November course will be a special one. So if you are interested, be ready for it. Meanwhile, we have our in-depth analysis service. What will you get in our in-depth analysis service? Sunday live sessions with tea. And those of you who cannot attend live, the session will be recorded and recording will be available for 7 days. You will get midweek review analysis via email. And in addition to that, you will get trades of the week. Read all the details on our website, and if you would like to subscribe, fill up this form. Pound dollar, for this one, we said we are expecting market to go down. We've got this down wave, corrective structure, another drop. So all of you are in the sell, you take profits or you move your stops. For pound dollar, we are only interested in our sell setups. And like I said, those of you who are not in, you stay away from dollar pairs next week. Is that clear? Last week we said, guys, we are expecting pound dollar to go down and market went down. If this will end up being a running flat, market will be pushing more down here. Alright guys, what if market will push up? We will leave it. Most of us who trade pound dollar are already in the sell. So DXY went up, Euro-dollar and pound dollar went down. Do not forget that. Why I'm mentioning this? Because I will show you the power of wave analysis in Aussie dollar and US oil. More details regarding this structure will be discussed by T on Sunday session. Aussie dollar for this one, I want all of you to go back and watch our previous forecast. While the XY was moving to the upside, Euro dollar was just falling, pound dollar was falling, we said guys, Aussie dollar is not ready for the fall. Another upwave is expected and market went up from here to here. This is the power of wave analysis and big banks algos. Understanding market makers' footprints and retail traders' behavior is very important. Our wave analysis concept is special, and this is the power of wave analysis. We are here every single Saturday at 4 p.m. UK time to show you our forecasts. And this is the proof in front of you. Our wave analysis concept is not Elliott waves. It's a combination of more than one theory. Elliott waves, Dow theory, price action, smart money concept, order blocks, our findings, and a lot of other things. And remember, analysis is only one part. In addition to analysis, you have to have a good strategy, and we have more than one. In addition to strategies, you have to have money management, risk management, and correct mindset. Correct mindset, guys, is a big part of our program. Anyway, coming back to Aussie dollar, we said market will be going to the upside because structurally this was not ready for the fall. Market went up and we are getting this down wave. What next? Those of you who get in the sell, you move your stops and let market unfold. The structure is in the making and we still have a possibility for one more push up before the fall. So those of you who are not in, you leave it for now. If you are in the sell and market decide to go up, your worst case scenario, it should be break even, not a loss. Dollar yen for this one, this is another proof. We said we are expecting market to go up, even if this will be going down to break this low, market should go up. Why? We can see 111 level before the reversal. Why market needs to go to this level? We have a lot of liquidity and central banks algos needs to reprice dollar yen at 111. Remember, we won't be right 100% of the times and no one can. So do not follow anyone blindly, even us. We want you to use our analysis as an additional tool to your system. Again, if you don't have a system, create one or learn one. Do not forget, guys, the golden rules. Do not jump in, do not over-risk and over-trade, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to a losing position. If you only follow those few rules, you will never ever break your trading account. Anyway, coming back to dollar yen, we are expecting market to correct for another upwave. At this level, we will check the price action, and we will wait our strategies, we will wait our setups for reversal. Again and again, you should not jump in. We will wait our setups, our strategies before we get in the trade. New Zealand dollar, for this one we were expecting market to go down. Instead we've got this upwave, another down wave into the same level. So for New Zealand dollar, market didn't move as expected. What next? We are expecting market to drop. If market will make one more push up, another drop is coming. We are biased to the downside and we will look for our sell setups. Alright? Like I said, it's a dollar pair and we might stay away next week. If we need to take decision, we will go for sells. Pound yen, for this one market went up from here to here. After that we said, guys, this might be a running flat for another drop. Market went down and it started to go up again. Those of you who went for the sell, this must have been a break even or small win. What next? We are still expecting market to go down. The structure is completed for us here. But if market decide to make one more push up, we will look for sell setups one more time. All of you know that here we are sharing our bias on what could be the next move and not signals. So for pound yen, we are biased to the downside. US oil for this one, I hope all of you remember this forecast. And again, this is the proof of wave analysis, where a lot of traders and a lot of analysts were expecting US oil to shoot up because of this up wave. We were saying to you guys, look for sell setups. US oil will drop and market went down all the way from here to here. All of you who trade US oil, I assume that you also follow the news related to US oil. Last Saturday, we said, guys, we are expecting US oil to fall. Go back and watch our previous forecast. If you are following the news, you know what happened last week before this drop. Again, this is one more proof about the power of wave analysis. What next for this one? After this corrective structure, we're expecting another drop. So all of you are selling, you can take partial profits and leave the rest at break even. Gold for this one, we were biased to the upside. Market was making a corrective structure here. We've got this down wave, this up move, down, up. Structure started to be messy, and then we've got this drop on Friday. All of this is a corrective structure to us. Remember, we were biased to the upside. So if you get in the buy, this must have been a break even or small loss. If you get any other outcome, there is something wrong. After you click the trade, you have to have only 4 outcomes: small loss, break even, small win, or big win. If you get big loss, your plan needs amendment. Not only this, internally in our group, some of them they spot this structure for this drop. Few traders took the sell and made decent profits in this down wave, and other traders, they didn't get in the sell. So if you can surround yourself with like-minded people, if you can be in a great community that speaks the same trading language and is ready to help you to grow and succeed, don't miss this chance. Anyway, for gold, this is a corrective structure to us and we are expecting market to go up. We will only look for our buy setups and we will wait our strategies before we get in. We are biased to the upside even if market will break this low. So even if we get a corrective structure, one will push down, another up wave to come. We are only interested in our buy setups. And by the way, these are the lists that are covered on every Sunday. YouTube list as in-depth analysis, indices, other forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and requests. Dollar CAD for this one, market is correcting upwards. We've got this up wave, corrective structure, another up move. This corrective structure, it might extend. In all the cases, if this will be a corrective structure, one more push down. At the moment, dollar CAD is correcting upwards. Silver for this one, we were expecting market to go up. It went up, it gave us this corrective structure, one will push up, and then this drop. We were not expecting market to fall. We were expecting market to go more up. Instead, we've got this down wave. What next? We will be looking for our buy setups one more time. Guys, it's not after every new low you should look for buy setups. This is not how market moves. You have to understand wave analysis, market structures before you go for the next trade. Alright? And our buy setup here, it might be only for a corrective structure. So at the moment, we are biased to the upside. Bitcoin for this one, we hope all of you remember this forecast from here to the upside. And also we said if market will correct here, another push up. Market is moving up. We hope all of you who trade Bitcoin are making money with this up wave. This was amazing. So guys, do not forget to follow us on Instagram. And next week, we will randomly choose 10 followers to give them that session. So keep liking and keep commenting. Most traders, they start to trade, they lose big, and then they decide to learn. Don't be most traders. You have to learn first, and then you risk your money. With that note, I wish you a successful trading week. Thanks for watching. We hope that you learned something new. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, this is very important. Leave a comment, stay safe, trade with care, and see all of you next week.